So this problem is given the participant score sheet for your university sports day. You are required to find the runner-up score. Okay, so it says the first line contains n, that is the value, and the second line contains the array. Okay, so let's see the sample input. It says the first line will be 5 and there will be 5 numbers in the sixth line. The first line will be 5 and there will be 5 numbers in the next line, and we will have to find the runner-up number from this list and we will have to show it as an output. You can see the explanation here, because 6 is the maximum and 5 is the second maximum. So that's what we are gonna apply here. We will be applying second max. So basically first let's try to find the first max and then we'll find the second max. So let's quickly convert it into list, because the problem is map, it gives you a map object. Okay, so you see this is the definition. This gives you a map object and map object is not a list. So first you will have to convert it to the list to work with it. Now let's find the maximum number. So what you have to do, you have to do max list array. So that's how you get the maximum number in this max num variable. Now let's try to find the another array. So let's name it as array1, and we'll have to find, now we will have to bind everything by but we will have to remove this max underscore num. So we will write val in val, sorry not, so val for, we'll have to value val in list array. Now we will have to remove this value, which is maximum value. So what we do is val is not equals max underscore num. So that's how you just removed the maximum number from it, and now what you got to do is just print the maximum number in this current array. So let's do this. Okay, let's try to run the code. Okay, sample test case 0 is passed successfully. Now it is running a lot of test cases, and test case 2 was running. Okay, all well. So everything went well. So that's how you can write the code. Let's move to the next